Hi friends, what to do when you can't focus on reading? It's not that I was on the bed, I just got up and then started walking and I'm sitting on the table, somebody put food on the plate and started eating. Reading will take some time. See, I go to gym every day. The moment I go, my instructor doesn't allow me to get onto the treadmill. He says, you do warm up. Warm up means he will tell me, okay, now do this head exercises like this and then do these exercises, and he'll tell me to do some push-ups and then this way, that way. After 4 or 5 minutes of warming up, that's when he's going to allow me to get onto the treadmill, and then my limbs are going to actually get into the groove. Exactly, I'm sleeping, I'm watching a movie, I'm with my friends. Suddenly if I open the book and if I say I'm not able to focus, it's quite natural. So give some time to get into the mood of reading, first and foremost. So you need to get into the warm-up stage. So what to do? Always make sure that you have a book with you. Maybe you have a Kindle with you. Maybe you have some notes with you. Maybe you have a small scribbling pad with you. Make that book with you. And then what you should do is you just make sure that you just glance through that, and then you will slowly start getting into the groove of reading, number 1. Number 2, what you should do is the book that you really love, you should start reading that. That will help you to get into the rhythm of reading, right? And most important thing, what we do, thing that I'm going to tell you, one technique called SIP. So most of the time what we do, when I'm in the best mood, I'm in the right frame of mind, my concentration is very good. What we do, we are spending time on emails, we spend time on the WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. Little tired I become. The English book which is my favorite subject that I read when I'm feeling sleepy, when I'm tired physically, mentally exhausted, and then that's when I open that science book, which is very difficult for me. That's the reason why we cannot get into completing the syllabus. What is my suggestion is that when you are in the right frame of mind, when you are at a peak level, optimum level, that's when the most serious subject, science, very difficult subject, you are scoring less marks. That's when you should spend more time on that. Little tired you are, that English book you should read. And when you are feeling sleepy, when you are drained out, and when your eyes are closing, that's when open your mobile, try to see those WhatsApp messages, Instagram and then Facebook and then emails. That will push your sleep little. If you can follow this, you can start focusing on studies. Very important. And one more thing that you can do is, when we are studying, read for less time. Just remember 2020. Why? Earlier we had test matches which used to run for 5 days. Very few people actually go and watch. Why? Spending 5 days and one full day, very difficult. Then came 1 day matches. People thought even 1 day they cannot spend. Now came 20 matches. Why? Your concentration, your focus, it cannot go beyond that. So anyone says I can read for long hours, my suggestion would be read only for 20 minutes and then keep the book down, take 5 minutes of break and come back. And then what you do? Tell your brain that next 20 minutes I want to complete these 2 sums. Brain would say, okay, complete it. You complete that, keep the book away, go to washroom, take a break and come back, and tell your brain, next 20 minutes, I want to just read this English book, 2 answers. Brain would say, earlier you told mathematics, now you are telling English only for 20 minutes, and then you complete that, take the break and come back, and tell the brain, this time 20 minutes, I want to complete my social. If you can put short targets, what will happen is, things will become easy. Other thing is, I don't want you to stock your study table with all the books. Keep all the books in the shelf. Whichever the book you want to read, whichever the notes you want to open, only that book you should keep. Why? If your mother keeps so much food in the plate and she will tell you to eat all that at once, will you complete that? Absolutely no. Amma would know. That's why she'll keep only little. Once you finish, she will put little more. Once you finish, she'll give little more. Once you finish, she'll give you one more fruit, one more sweet dish. But finally, she'll feed you so much. Exactly, that's how you can hoodwink your brain. You can cheat your brain. Actually, you can deceive your brain and you can read. You can start developing concentration. So, whoever says, I'm not able to focus on reading, you can do these small steps, making sure that you can actually, you get into the rhythm of reading. And once you get warmed up, and then you will simply jog, you will simply run, you'll be able to complete all your tasks. What do you say? Practice this today and give me feedback. Is this working for you? I'd be the most happiest person to know that it's actually benefiting you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.